Welcome to the CinchKit instructional video series. In this video, we will show you how to install a false front. Let's get started. False fronts look like drawers, but they do not open. They are usually found by a sink. It's best to install your false fronts after the doors so you can align the fronts above the doors. You will need these materials to install your new false front: the 1/16 inch bit, the double-sided tape, scissors, any kind of sharp knife, your drill, your screwdriver, the rubber bumpers, and the plastic bag labeled for false fronts. Place bumpers at each corner of the false front. If the front is over 24 inches, place bumpers in the middle as well. We provide a mounting kit for each false front you ordered. It's in a bag labeled for false fronts. Each mounting kit includes 2 posts, 2 clips, and 4 screws. We provide a tool for you to drill pilot holes for the posts in the right spot. It's labeled Pilot Hole Locator. Put the 1/16 inch bit in your drill. Drill your pilot holes about a 1/2 inch deep. The posts are the clear cylinders. Use the bigger screws to mount the posts to the cabinet using the pilot holes you just drilled. Use a screwdriver, not a drill, so you do not split the post. You will need your double-sided mounting tape for the next step. Cut a small piece of double-sided tape. Apply double-sided tape to the plastic clips from the plastic bag. Use a sharp knife to peel off the liner on the double-sided tape. Then slide the clip onto the post. Line up the false front carefully so that it's level and right above the door below. Then press it firmly against the tape and clips. Now the front should be stuck to the clips. Pull it backwards and the clips should come off too. Set the torque on your drill to 7. Use the Phillips drill bit and the 5/8 inch screws from the kit to screw the clips to the false front. Push the front back onto the post and you're done.